All right, good morning, guys. It's been a short night, but that's all right. Welcome to a new recap of yesterday's PA. Immediately start yawning. Hello. Welcome to a new recap of the 27th of March. I had some family stuff, so couldn't do it yesterday. I was home at like 12:30 a.m. or 00:30. So couldn't do it. So we'll do it now. Quickly go over what happened yesterday. So we got our week open. We have this is gonna be a quick recap, nothing big. So just for your information. We got our previous weekly high above here. We got the previous daily high above here. And we had to get that previous daily low below here. We had this range, we had this liquidity sweep, followed by this 5-minute/50-minute break. Then we had this 50-minute demand. I was not sure about the demand. I used this structure. Oh shit. I used this structure. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, bearish break, and I was looking for shorts because he also respected this PY. Got liquidity building up that got taken, and actually we can see that the liquidity was just built up below this block, above this block, above this 50-minute demand, but I didn't see that yet, so I had it like this, or I had this marked on, but I didn't anticipate on it. Then we can see that Frankfurt was pushing up. We took Asia highs after taking Asia lows. So these were my early sellers. Actually, this entire move. And now we got early buyers over here. They start to buy from the equals. They get the bullish break. And we can see, I marked it on here. It was a weak break. Here's my lock, by the way. I will go over this, so just focus on this. And then we had our bearish range from this high down to this low. So let's actually take that off from this high down to this low. We had our 5-minute demand area. And that's where I entered from. Our 5-minute supply area. We saw this liquidity. Oh. We saw this liquidity bearish break. Internal range liquidity entry. But this internal range liquidity was actually a 5-minute market structure shift or bullish trade. I will go over that in a second. But essentially there was the bullish trade and I messed up. So going over bearish trade then. This is the entry. You can see, come above. We actually tap into discount as well, or into premium, rising, of course. Bearish break. So I was not sure about price going lower. I saw the entry drill. I wasn't sure because over here, Asia or New York was forming, or DXY was forming like this, and we had our bullish area for longs from. Let me actually get that range on as well on here. So essentially, we have maybe this range. We also have this range. This is my range that I'm using, and we now tapped into the discount anyway. We can just use that one. And we are in an area for longs, meaning we are in an area for shorts in EU. But essentially, sorry, got distracted. So essentially, we got this building up. We took Asia highs over here. We respected this high. Wait, let me just quickly mark it on. So we took out this liquidity. We still had this liquidity building up over here. And essentially took that liquidity building up. Enough reason to go lower. There was also no bearish, another bullish break here. So price going lower, meaning that we could come higher on EU. It was over here, and then we took that out. That was my initial, wow, bro, telling you, it's annoying me so much that I yawn all the time. I don't yawn at all day, just when I'm talking on this, when I'm doing these recaps, etc. So I was initially wanting to short from here. I missed that long, but let's go over that long. So this is a short trade. Nice. This was a nice forecast or market read, so to say. Frankfurt push up and London continues down. So that was, if you caught the move somewhere in here, that was your London move. Now it's Tuesday, so we'll see what happens today. But let's go over that long trade. So bullish break. Actually, we got this range. No interference liquidity taken, so ideally I wanted to see price come below this. That look for longs. That didn't happen either, so I was just not seeing it. But essentially, we got our early buyers on the 5-minute over here. Not gonna do it nice. Okay, get the 5-minute early buyers. And we got our 1 minute or 5-minute market shift over here. A high that led to a low, sweeping out this liquidity and sweeping out this one. Then we got the bullish break. We got our 5-minute demand area like this. One. Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, never mind already. 49, 59. Beautiful entry. And then target 1 to 4. There you go. 1 to 5 gets hit as well. You can essentially say, all right, target these highs. Let me actually put it like this. There you go. So I'll just target these highs. Or actually, where is it? We didn't tap into it yet. No. So then target a 1 to 5. Why? Because this is our partial area or our TP area, so 1 to 5. And then just take off everything at 1 to 5 maybe, because there's no need to go higher. Or like if you go higher, it's just 0.6%, which is not that much. I mean, it's something, but it will give you like 0.15% extra. So see, that was a long trade, clean trade, just with structure, it's a bit hard. It's not because I use structure differently. Higher high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Ah. All right, so the log. Longs are against the high tension momentum from last week, but in line with the current 5-minute, 15-minute structure. So that was 825. So you can see at 825, we had this bullish break, weak bullish break, and we're I was essentially looking to maybe long here. So I had these structures going on, had the diamond area over here. This that nice. Yeah. So I was like, all right, we can do prolongs from there. But we took that out and I saw that this was a weak break. So yeah. So I'm wary of the equal lows. That's the first thing. For now, there was nothing there. Weak break structure. So this might be a liquidity grab to then take the equal lows and continue lower. So I said we were going to continue lower, but we took one side, then we took the other side, then we continued up. So there's no possibility to enter from the 5-minute over here. Just saw this. Why not? Because we didn't have early sellers, I think. $8.40. Yeah, it was over here. So then I said, there's no possibility to enter from the 5-minute. No early sellers. I was thinking about classing this early sellers, but it was hard to read. And then essentially for that short, these early sellers made sense. Then for the long, there was no early buyers. Maybe a bit, but yeah, we're in Asia. I want to see them on the way down, so no entry. Told you it was gonna break. Bearish. Again, patient space for sure. Then 9. I think I wrote down the wrong times here. Yeah, I switched to my time. Well, oh no, wait. No, it's all right. So my time and 10-9. I don't feel confident in the market right now. I can see potential short, but I ideally want to sell from a more premium, aka this. So if I just sit patient and listen to that, I wouldn't even need it to enter there. Hesitated, but took the trade. This is good stuff, right? Right. So I won the internal battle because I was thinking about taking a trade because I saw my entry drill and I saw like potential. So I hesitated, but I took the trade eventually. And I literally said, all right, if the trade doesn't play out, I know it's because we want more premium pricing. I have to go. I had the doctor's appointment yesterday, so I couldn't manage it. Maybe I will be a little bit more conservative. I went break even on the trade, and then a higher price seems valid. These wires downside potential close to that break even. I have to leave for doctor's appointment now. And then last in that message I wrote down another reason it closes. I get really stressed if I can't watch my trades, which is true. I get fear when I'm not actively managing my trade, therefore break even. We'll get it next time. This is being honest with yourself as well, being honest with myself. Bro, I talk so monotone today. I'm so sorry. Maybe I always talk monotone, I don't know, but be honest with yourself. Look into your reasons why you really didn't see trading. Don't say yeah because this and this happened on the charts. Well, you know from the inside it was an emotional decision, and this was 50% emotional, 50% also knowing that actually being aware of where I entered and being aware that it was not optimal, not highest probability area. So you have to accept that as well. So I had both as a reason, and I'm cool with it. I was completely cool, and I actually paid off, though I missed the long. So yeah, that's it. Then New York, basically we got a continuation. If you actually see an entry over here, I don't think it fits, but it takes that low just about, I think. Yeah, just about. Bullish break. Hey, so this is 5-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute. Hey, 15-minute demand zone. Oh, wrong one. So we got this. This didn't break the high. Farm equals. That's right. And I think it just misses 41, 51. Yeah, it just misses. And that's all right, because you can't get it always, right? But it made sense. Bearish break followed by bullish break. So those are your early buyers taken out, followed by bullish break. And your entry 7.2, 7.7. There you go. And also easy to target 1 to 5. And I would target 1 to 5 because even now, there's no reason to sell yet. We want to see these highs taken. We already took a previous daily high, but we are not in a premium yet. So we want to see these highs taken, then maybe turn around. Now let's clean up. Like that, like this. I hate depending on someone else's analysis, so make mine first, like this. So you can see that we slowed down there. This is when we found previous daily highs. So that's actually been taken as well. So get the line. This daily high has been taken. Asia high above here. So now another thing, if we zoom in on New York, by the way, yesterday, actually looked at the candle. We already looked at the candle formation. This was not the cleanest bearish break. It was just liquidity grab tapping into the wallet turning around. So for that short, I could have known. And after the candle after, it took out this one and almost this one as well. Could have known that it was not the cleanest area for shorts, but yeah. 1 hour wise, this all happened in one candle. So liquidity grab turnaround, bearish closure. So actually from the 1 hour, looks like a good trade, in my opinion. At least better than the 50-minute. We do this liquidity now. So for New York, swing, New York is continuation. So London was a bit ranging. It came up, took liquidity from the upside, and then took liquidity from the downside, and then we ended up in the middle. So we didn't have a clear direction for New York or for London. And then pre-New York, we start to trickle up, slow down, building up more liquidity. Like this. And then we got that liquidity grab followed by bullish break. So that's our swing for New York, essentially. And then we continue up. And again, around 1 hour or 45 minutes after London Open, we set the tone for the day. But essentially, because we first grabbed this low, then pulled up equals, then grabbed this high, I was more convinced that this would be the swing instead of this one, or this would be the tone for the day. And that's right. Today. So yeah, actually I'm gonna end the video here. Just to recap, not much. I would now look for shorts from above Asia high here and from here. And because of the momentum, I'd like to short here. But if we come above over here and then continue down. Peace out.